Okay, now see students, 13th question of our assignment 10.1. Assignment 10.1, question number 13. See, in this question number 13, what we have to do? We have to find out the area of the triangle. We have to find out area of triangle whose sides are given. Okay. So students, in the previous class, we have discussed the Heron's formula. We have discussed Heron's formula. And what is Heron's formula, students? See, a triangle is given. A triangle, let's say ABC is the name. This is given to us. Okay. And the length are A, B, and C. We assume that the lengths are, see, the length is A, length is B, and length is C. Okay, these lengths are given to us. So what first we have to do? We have to first find out the semi-perimeter, that is S. S is the semi-perimeter. And what is semi-perimeter? S, that is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2.
2.
A plus B plus C divided by 2. This is our first, sorry, this is our semi-perimeter, students. Okay, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see students, after finding out the semi-perimeter, what we have to do? We can find out the area. Area of triangle, it is equals to root S, S minus A,
S minus A,
S
S
minus B.
minus B,
S
and
minus B, S minus C.
is it clear to
S
everyone?
minus C.
Yes. This we have discussed in the previous class also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see students, question number
Yes,
13,
sir.
it consists of 4 parts. I am discussing one or two among them. Okay. See the second part, if I take, find the area of the triangle. See, the triangle is given whose sides are 5, 7, and 8. Sides are 5, 7, and 8. Okay. Now I have to find out the area of triangle. So first, to find out the area of triangle, what I have to do? I have to find out the semi-perimeter. So first of all, therefore, S we have to find out. S is semi-perimeter. That means sum of the sides divided
5
by 2.
plus 7 plus 8.
Yes or no? Yes, students. What it will be?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Sir,
8
10.
and 7, 15, 15 and 2, 20, 20 by 2. It will be 10. This will be
10.
okay. So the semi-perimeter is 10 now. So the area of triangle will be now what? Area will be root S, that is 10. 10 minus first side, that is 5. 10 minus second side, that is 7. And 10 minus 8. Okay. So see, this is 10, this is 5, this is 3, and this is 2 now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
students,
yes, sir.
okay, now students, we know that to find out the square root, what
Yes,
we have
sir.
to do? We have to make the pairs. Now, this we have already discussed that to find out the square root, we have to make the pairs. Now see this, 5 and 2 is 10, 5 multiplied by 2
Yes.
is
Sir.
10. This 10 and this 10 are making one pair. So 10 will come out of the root. Okay. And the only number that is left is 3. So it will be 10 root 3. Okay. Also, one thing, students, see, this is our answer, but also write the unit of the area also. Okay. So the answer will be 10 root 3 square unit. Answer is 10 root 3 square unit because we have to provide the units also. Is it clear, everyone?
Okay. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you again explain the area second part? Second
Okay.
step.
This line.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See what I have did. I have just put the values here. See, we know that S is 10. We know that A, B, C, that are the sides. Sides are 5, 7, and 8. So I take this 5, then 7, then 8. All of you just mute your mic. Okay. Now see, 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. This I put here. This will be 3 and this will be 2 now. Now to find out the square root, we have to make the pair of two number. See, this is 10, this 5 and this 2, it will be 10. So 5 2s are 10, So this 10 and this 10 is making one pair, so the 10 will come out. So the only number that is left inside the root is 3. So the answer will be 10 root 3. And it's the area, so we have to put the unit also. So that's why I have written 10 root 3 square unit. Is it clear now?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So all of you just do it, students. All of you just do it now.
Done, sir.
Sir, can you
Sir,
question number 5 again?
done, sir.
Sir, you are muted.
Sir, you are muted.
Sir, you are muted.
Okay, students. All of you just do one thing, just take a screenshot of this, okay? Just take a screenshot, then we will move forward to the question number 5th, okay? Everyone just do it fast. Okay,
Sir, I have taken screenshot.
okay. Now see, students, question number 5th. Okay, now students, what you have to do? You have to do question number 12 and question number 13 complete by yourself, okay? It's the same, just you have to use the Heron's formula in this. Is it clear?
Okay,
In
sir.
this question,
Okay,
in this
sir.
question number 12 and in the question number 13, you have to just apply the Heron's formula that I have already discussed in the previous question. So just use that and you can complete this question, okay? Now students,
Okay.
moving forward to the question number 5th. Everyone just mute your mic. Okay, now see students, what is question number 5th? The parallel sides of the trapezium are 65 and 40, okay, and the non-parallel sides are 39 and 56, okay. Now see, what is given? A trapezium is given, so let us just draw a trapezium here. The name is, everyone just mute your mic. Okay, what is given? The two parallel sides. The parallel sides are 65 and 40. See, this is the shorter one and this is the longer one. So I have to take this as 40. So I have to take this as 40. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
Yes.
so the length of this AB, it is 40. And length of CD, it is how much? 65 meter. This is 65 meter. Okay. And the non-parallel sides are 39 and 56. So let us assume that this is 39 meter and this is 56 meter. Okay.
6 meter.
Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find out the area. So students, to find out the area, what we have to do, we have to first draw a parallel line that is parallel to AD. Draw a line from B parallel to AD. So I have to draw it like this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I name this as
Yes, sir.
BE. I name this as BE. So AD,
Yes, sir.
everyone
Yes,
just
sir.
mute your mic. Yes, everyone just mute your mic. So AD is parallel to BE by construction. By construction, I have did this. Okay. Now, students, AD is parallel to BE and AB is parallel to DE. It is given in the question that AB and DC are the two parallel lines. This is given to us. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, see, in a
Yes,
quadrilateral, students, if if the opposite lines are parallel, then can I say that it is a parallelogram? Therefore, I
Yes,
can
sir.
say that ABED is a parallelogram. Okay, I can say this. And students, we know that opposite side of parallelogram are equal. All of you just mute your mic. All of you just mute your mic. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. We know this thing. Okay. So students, if parallelogram opposite side are equal, now see, this is 39. Okay. So this length BE. So this BE will be 39 also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this AB is 40.
Yes, sir.
This will be 40 now. So this will be 40. Now see students, this complete DC, it is 65 and this is 40. So what it will be? It will be 25.
Yes, sir.
25.
Okay. because this complete DC is 65 and DE is how much? DE is 40. So the remaining portion will be 25. Okay. Yes or no? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see students
Clear,
in
sir.
triangle.
Yes.
Okay. Now see in triangle BEC. In triangle BEC, we know all the three sides of triangle. So what I have to do, I have to apply the Heron's formula in order to find out the area. Okay. So in triangle BEC, I'm talking about BEC. Okay. What is the formula of semi-perimeter S? A plus B plus C divided by 2. So
A plus
39
divide 2. Yes,
plus
sir.
56
Yes, sir.
plus 25 divided by 2. So S will be how much? Everyone just mute your mic, students.
120.
It will be how much? 120. Yes or no?
60.
Yes. Sir, now
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if I just cancel out, it will be 60. Is it clear, students?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes.
sir.
Remain, students. Okay. Now, students, we have S with us. Now, can I find out the area?
Yes, sir.
Area of triangle
Yes, sir.
BEC. I can find out the area of triangle BEC and by Heron's formula. So root S is 60. 60 minus first side. First side is 39. Second side 60 minus 56 and 60 minus 25. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now see, students, if I just find it out, 60 as it is. Okay. 60 minus
21.
39.
21.
It will be 21. Yes or no?
Yes.
Next will be
54.
4. Next is
Yes, sir.
35.
next is 35.
Next,
35.
35.
Okay. Now just see, students. Now everyone just see.
35.
How can I solve this? Okay. Now everyone just listen. I'm writing this 60. I'm writing this 60 as, see, 12 5 is 60. 12 can be written as 3 into 4. 12 and 5. I can write this 60 as this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
4 is
sir.
a 12. 12 5 is 60. Okay. Now I can write this 21 as 3 into 7.
3.
Okay. Now this 4 can
2 into
just 4
2.
write it as it is. Just write it as it is. Okay. 35 can be written as 5 into 7. Yes or no? Is it clear to everyone?
5 into 7.
Okay. Now students, do one thing. Just make pair of two numbers. See, this 4 and 4 is making one pair. So 4 will come outside of the root. Okay. This 3 and 3 is making one pair. So this 3 will come out of the root. This 5 and 5 is making one pair. So 5 will come out of the root. This 7 and 7 is making one pair. So this 7 will come out of the root. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
So what's the answer? See, 4 is a 12,
420.
12 into 35.
420.
Multiply 12 and 35.
420.
420
420 meters square.
square unit.
Square unit.
Okay. So students, this is the area of triangle BEC. This is the area of triangle BEC. But students, one more thing. I can find out the area of triangle by another method also. See, now what I did, students. See, now what we have to do. Now I will construct a altitude for this trapezium. Now I will construct the altitude for trapezium. Okay. Name this as BM. Yes or no? I have constructed the altitude of triangle BEC. Okay. Now students, can I find out the area of triangle by half into base into altitude also? Also, area of triangle BEC, also area of triangle BEC, it is equals to half into base. Base is EC, altitude is BM. Can I find it out like this also? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So students, to find
Yes,
out
Yes,
this,
sir.
see,
sir.
area of BEC, we have already found out area of BEC is 40. So I can put 420 as it is. This half as it is. EC we know, students, it is 25. BM we don't know. BM we don't know. Now just cancel them out. See, if I just cancel them out, 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 40. 5 fours are 20. Yes or no?
Yes,
Is it clear?
sir. Yes,
Now see,
sir.
students, 2 is in division. When it goes here, it will be in multiplication. So 84 into 2, it will be 168.
8.
168.
5 is in multiplication. When it goes here, it will be in division. So upon 5. So this is BM now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And BM is the altitude for the trapezium ABCD. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
BM
Yes,
is the
sir.
Yes,
altitude.
sir.
Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. It is equals to, what is the formula? Half into sum of
Half
parallel
into-
sides. Some
Yes,
parallel
sir.
Sum
sides
of
are
the parallel sides
are
multiply altitude.
AB and DC. Parallel sides are AB and DC into altitude. Altitude is what? BM.
1.
Altitude is what? BM. So the answer
1685.
will be 1 AB plus DC. AB plus DC will be 105.
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no?
Yes,
And
sir.
BM.
Yes, sir.
BM is 168 by 5. Now just cancel them out. See, 5 ones are 5. If I just cancel it,
21. 21.
this will be 21. If I just cancel out, 2 8s are 16 and 4.
84.
So just multiply 84 and
Mhm.
21. Just multiply 84 and 24. Sorry, 84 and 21. Yes, what is the answer, students?
1764.
17.
1764.
So 1764 square unit is my
Square unit.
answer. Is it clear to everyone now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, in this Heron's formula,
Yes.
they will always make pair.
Yes, yes. See, they
Like
will
this
make,
you have made
yes,
pair.
yes. See, in most of the question they will do, okay. Like in the previous question, just like this, in this question, see, 3 is left out without pair, okay.
Yes, sir.
So I put it as it is. But in this question, all are making pair, so I can find it out like this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But sir, how is AD is parallel to BE?
AD is
AB is
by
how AB?
construction. See. This I have already written. AD is parallel to BE by construction. I have constructed this.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now all of you just take screenshot of this, because now I will move forward in the next question. All of you just take screenshot of this now.
Sir, take on screen. So.
Okay. Everyone just do it fast, students. See, the recording is going on, students. Okay. And I will put this recording to the class group also in the evening. Okay. So that if any one of you have any doubt, you can just check it again. Okay. Okay. I hope
Sir,
all of you have
recording
taken.
is sir.
Yes, recording is going on. The class recording is going on. Okay. Okay. Now see, students, moving forward to the next question. All of you just take out see question number 7th now. All of you just see question number 7th now. See question number 7th. What is given to us in question 7th? The area of the trapezium of altitude 3 meter is this. See, a trapezium is given. So just draw a trapezium. Name it as ABCD. All of you just mute your mics. Okay. The area is 12. Area is 12 meters square. It is given to us. Altitude is 3 meter. Altitude is 3 meter. So just draw a altitude. Name it as AE. And this is 3 meter. Just mute your mic, everyone. If one of the parallel sides is 2 more than the other side, one parallel side is 2 more than other side. So let AB is x. Let AB is equals to x meter. Everyone just mute your mic. See what is given. One parallel side is 2 more than the other side. One parallel side That means AB and DC is talking about one parallel side. I have assumed that this is X. Yes, Akshit, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, yes, Akul, just mute your mic. Yes, Akul, mute your mic.
Yes, sir. Muting.
Okay, now see students, AB we have assumed X, and what is given in the question that one parallel side is 2 more than. See, that means this will be how much? X plus 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So what
sir.
we have to find out, we have to find out the length of the parallel sides. We have to find out the length of the parallel sides. Okay. So just apply the formula. Area is equals to half into sum of parallel sides. That means AB plus CD and into altitude. Altitude is AE. So just put the value. Area is
Question number 6.
yes.
Sir, question number 6.
Okay, this is question number 6. No, this is
Yes,
question number
sir.
7.
Sir,
This is
when we
question.
will do. Sir.
See, this is question number 7 that is going on. Okay.
Sir, I am asking that when we will do question number 6. We have to
After
try
this,
ourselves.
okay. Just 1 minute. After completing this question, we will discuss question number 6 also. Okay. Okay, now see. 1 by 2 AB. AB is X. CD is X plus 2. And AE is 3. See, now this 2 is in division. When it goes there, it will be in multiplication. So this will be 24. X
24.
plus X. 2X plus 2 as it is, and there is 3 as it is. See, I can cancel out this. 3 ones are 3,
8.
8 is 24. So that
8.
is 8 is equals to 2x plus 2. 2 when goes there, it will be subtracted. So this will be 6. So x is how much?
X is equals to 3.
3 meter now.
3.
Okay. So therefore, students, can I say that AB is 3 meter and DC is 5 meter? Can I say this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the
Yes,
answer is,
sir.
Yes,
so
sir.
the parallel lines are 3 meter and 5 meter. Okay. So all of you just do it fast. All of you just just do it fast, students. Now we will discuss question number 6 now. Just do it fast, students. Okay, just do one thing. Let us complete question number 6. Then all of you just take screenshot of the complete page. Okay. Okay. See question number 6. The trapezium. See, the area of the trapezium is given. Let us name it as ABCD again. Okay. Area is how much?
138
Area is
meters square.
138 meters square.
138 meters square.
Okay. Now just see everyone, just listen. What is given? The distance and the difference between the length of the parallel sides are 12 meters. See, the distance between them, distance between the parallel sides. So can I say that this distance, this altitude is given? Yes or no? This altitude is 12. Yes, students. Can I
Yes,
say
sir.
this?
Yes,
That
sir.
this is 12 meters. And one more thing is given,
Yes,
that
sir.
the difference between the parallel sides, difference between the parallel sides. So can I say that DC minus AB, difference means this, because this is the longer side, DC is the longer side. So longer side minus shorter side, it is how much? 7 meter. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means the difference between these two sides is 7. So students, can I do one thing? Can I take this as x plus 7 and this as x? Can I take it like this? Because
Yes,
if I
sir.
take the difference, now take the difference of
Yes,
DC.
sir.
X plus 7 minus X, it will be 7. Is it clear now? Yes,
Yes,
everyone,
sir.
is it
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Aman. Now is it clear to you?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how you take this altitude as 12?
See, the distance between the parallel line is 12. It is given to us. See, if I take
Given.
this, it is given in the question. The distance and the difference between the parallel lines. Distance between the parallel line is 12. It is given in the question.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Now, students, can we apply the same formula here
Yes, sir.
also? See, area
Yes,
is
sir.
138. Area is
Area is
138 now.
138.
And what's the formula?
138 is equal to
Half
1
Half
half
into
into
sum of
sum of
1
parallel
half
sides
x
into
is 5.
plus
two.
okay,
x plus
sum of
2.
parallel sides means x plus 7
Yes, sir.
into
Yes, sir.
altitude. Altitude is
Yes,
12.
sir.
Altitude is 12 now.
12.
So
Yes,
see,
sir.
2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. See, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. So this will be 23
23.
and 2x plus 7
23.
now. This will be subtracted. So it will be how much? 16.
16. 8.
X will be 8 now.
8.
X will be 8. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the length of parallel sides. So what will be AB and CD? AB will be 8 meter and this will be 15 meter.
15.
15 meter. 8 plus
15.
Now,
15
7.
meter.
okay. Now is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, okay. Okay, now everyone just take
Yes, sir.
screenshot of this. Okay. Now everyone just take a screenshot of this.
Taken, sir.
Taken,
Okay.
sir.
Taken,
Okay, all.
sir.
Now see students, let us discuss question number 11th. Let us discuss question number, sorry, 10th first of all. Question number 10th I am discussing. See what is question, this figure is given to us. All of you just see in your books, a figure
Yes,
is
sir.
given
It
to us.
is.
The figure is like this.
Yes, sir.
See, the
13
naming is A, B,
A, B, C,
C,
D.
and D. Okay. See, this is 13. Everyone just mute your mic.
Sir.
Everyone just mute your mic. This is 13 meter. This is 13 meter. And this complete is 18 meter. Okay. Now what I have to do? I have to find out the area of quadrilateral. And what is given? AB is parallel to AD. Sorry, perpendicular to AB is perpendicular to AD. It is given to us. Okay. Now see. Students, I am doing one construction in this. See what I am doing? I'm constructing a parallel line. I'm constructing a,
2CR. 2CR.
let us just construct a parallel line like this. Okay. Name it as CM. Name it as CM. Okay. Now see students, what is given to us? This AB, it is given that AB is parallel to CD. It is given to us. So can I say that this AM is also parallel? This AM is also parallel to DC. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See, this complete
Yes,
AB
sir.
is parallel to DC. This complete
Yes, sir.
DC is parallel to AB. So can I say that this DC is parallel to AM? Okay. And AD is parallel to MC by construction. So can I say that now this AMCD is a parallelogram now? Can I say that like
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
it is a parallelogram? Okay, okay, one more thing. And angle A is
Excuse me,
90
sir.
degree also. Just 1 minute, just 1 minute. And angle A is 90 degree now. So AMCD is a square now. Square, no, it will be a rectangle. It will be a rectangle. Yes. Yes, students. Yes, who was asking
Nothing,
the
sir.
doubt?
Nothing, sir. Sir, nothing.
Okay.
I was
So can
saying
I?
that only that it's a rectangle.
Yes, yes, yes. So AMCD, see, it is a parallelogram, but if all of you just listen to me carefully, students, always just remember this thing that if in a parallelogram, if in a parallelogram, one angle is 90°, always just remember this property that if in a parallelogram, one angle is of 90°, then that parallelogram will be a rectangle. Okay. Always remember this identity. So AMCD is a rectangle now. So if this is a rectangle, can I say that this is 90° and this will be 90° as well? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we know that opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Can I say that this also?
Yes, sir.
Opposite side of rectangle
Yes,
are
sir.
equal. So see, this DC is 13, so this will be 13 as well. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now this complete AB is 18, this is 13, so this will be 5. Yes or no?
Sir. Yes,
Now
sir.
students, in triangle BMC, apply Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? It is BC square is equals to CM square plus
Smaller side square.
BM square. Why? Pythagoras.
Yes, sir.
Pythagoras theorem. See, BC we know, students. BC is 13. So 13 square is 169. CM we don't know.
169.
CM we don't know. BM is 5. 5 square is 25. This 25 when it goes here, it will be subtracted. So 169 minus 25, it will be 144. This CM square as it is. See, this can be written as 12 square. 144 can be written as 12 square. So square can be
What
cancelled
was
out
the
by this
square of
square.
12? Yes,
So
sir.
CM will be 12 meter now. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
CM.
sir.
Yes, sir.
CM
Yes,
is
sir.
12
Yes, sir.
meter. CM is 12 meter now. Now see, AMCD is a rectangle. We know that AMCD is a rectangle. Opposite side are equal and parallel. So this will be 12 meter also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So see what I have to do. I have to find out
Yes,
area of
sir.
the whole figure. Area of figure means ABCD. I have to find out. I have to
Area
find
of-
out the area of ABCD. I can write it like this: the area of this rectangle plus area of this triangle. I can write it like this: area of AMCD plus area of BMC. I can write it like this also. Area of AMCD, this one, this is a rectangle, and the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is 13, breadth is 12. So 13 multiplied by 12 plus area of triangle, it
56.
is half into base into altitude. Base is 5,
Excuse me, sir.
altitude is, yes,
Sir, can't we do it by
Well,
the area of trapezium?
yes, you can do it by area of trapezium also. Okay,
Yes, sir. There are two non-parallel sides.
okay, you can
We can
do it by area.
this part.
Yes, you can use the area of trapezium also. Okay. Yes, 13 multiplied by 12. What it will be, students? 13 into 12.
156.
156
156.
150.
meter
If I just
square.
cancel, it will be how much? 30.
30.
30.
And if I just
30.
add them, it will be 186.
186.
But the unit,
186.
see, this is the area, so we have to put the unit also. So the answer will be 186
Meter
Meter square.
Is it clear to
Square.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.